Hello everyone. Welcome into today's video. Today I'm making something a little bit different. I'm going to be going over Twitch's new warning feature for viewers. It was brought to my attention. Not a lot of people know about this, know how to use it. So let me explain how you can do it and how you can set it up and why this is such a great feature for you and your mods to use on your streams. So first, you're going to want to go over to your settings in your creator dashboard, go down to moderation. And as you can see, you have your roles here. Whatever role it is, put it on a separate one. Whatever you would like to put. And then back here on Stream Manager. And let's say you have a user here that's breaking the rules. We're going to use Foxy1 as an example. I'm going to go ahead and click on them. And I'm going to put warn. Chat warning, issues warning to chatter for violating this channel's community standards. Select chat roles that the user has violated. So let's say Foxy1 here is spamming chat. So I'm going to say do not spam chat is the role it broke. And let's say he was being a little mean. So I can put please refrain from being mean to other members. So as you can see, I can click this one. I can click as many of them as I would like to. And I'm going to hit send warning. It's going to pop up in your mod actions here. And Foxy1 is not going to be allowed to chat until they acknowledge this warning. Basically, Foxy1 is going to have to acknowledge this warning. And once they acknowledge it, they're going to be able to continue chatting. Until they do that, they cannot chat until they acknowledge this. This will also go on their record for any time you go and look. We're going to pop out my mod actions here. Turn them all off and block terms, raids, chat warnings. Okay, as you can see here, recited roles. Acknowledge the warning. Once they acknowledge it, they can join back in. So that is basically what you do. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Let me know what feature on Twitch you would like to see next. Also, if you have any questions on any Firebot, Phasmo, anything like that, please feel free to let me know, as these are videos I love to create and I hopefully get a chance to create more of. And I will see you guys in the next one.